Previously on Caswell Customs. Today we are building my custom center console. Okay, so I'm adding my vertical posts up here, and then I'm going to add my angle piece to here. But what I am doing right now is drilling out these old rivets and these points and putting in riv nuts in their place. That way when I go to attach my plastic, those will bolt in there.
No. Pretty Caroline, stone cold stunner. She was a winner stunner.
Fortunately, didn't even crimp this one over here, so we're gonna go ahead and abandon that idea. Glad I didn't draw everything out.
No, don't you think you're better off where the neighbors don't stare? Baby, you're wanted, looking good for the movie screens, living in make-believe, hoping your wishes get granted. I know you're never giving up unless it's real. A slippery slope, it's not enough to please you. Pretty Caroline, stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dime. Serves this up her mind to count your blessings, 'cause it's tally fair, tally fair. They'll put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, that's the ugly truth, how they come in for you. Yeah, let's go. It's the missed opportunity train, it only comes on a very blue moon. You blink twice, and you missed it again. Waiting in line for the party to end. Guess you didn't get what they asked for. Not a genie in sight, that reality castle. There's no point to being careful. Learn the rules of the game before you lose your legs.
Alright, after much trial and error, here is our first side piece. So I think it's fitting pretty good. Kind of bummed how much carpet I cut there, but I think once the seats are in and everything, you won't really notice it. I'll find a way to cover that up. But all in all, super happy with how it's turning out.
They coming for you. Yeah, yeah,
Alright, so just realized my battery died while I was doing all this, but went ahead and built my whole structure for mounting the handbrake. So just one more thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add one more structure piece from here to here and just really support it up. But yeah, that is all mounted in there. Now we just need to get the rest of our plastic, put our panels on, and throw it in the truck. Alrighty, so we have the center console in. Got the seats kind of set up. There is the handbrake mounted up real nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the seat, put the camera over there. But got the side paneling on, got the handbrake in. I wanted to get some more done on this, but the plastic that I was using for the top has not gotten in today. I was supposed to be here Thursday, ended up showing up late. But basically, the setup that we're looking for is obviously we got the handbrake here. We're gonna go to a column shifter, or not a column, center console shifter. So we're gonna be getting rid of the column shifter. So it's I don't know what vehicle it's for, but it's for factory GM vehicles, and it's for a 6L80, which is the transmission I have in this truck. It's gonna go right here. We're gonna do cup holders, probably the CB radio, and then a flip-up latch for storing everything. But it is all pretty much mounted in here, nice and rigid. But I'm gonna go ahead and hop in, kind of show you the setup right now. Alright, so if you haven't seen the previous video, we did get the harness bar installed, and we got our 5-point harnesses in the truck. Kind of been taking them in and out, because I have to take the seats in and out in order to get the center console in and out. But yeah, you see we got a pretty good, solid situation. Handbrake here. Love the positioning right here. Very good ergonomic driving position. So the other main things are just kind of finishing up this center console. So still waiting on our sheet of plastic to cover this up top here. You know, we're going to do a slit, obviously, because this needs to be able to travel through this area. This is obviously not plumbed up. This will get plumbed up when I get my dual rear brakes brackets in. We'll just run our plumbing out through the bottom to the rear. So this is going to be on its own standalone system, which is going to be awesome. We are going to take the shifter from the column here and get one put right here. I wanted to go with like a winter shifter, but I think they make it, but I really haven't been able to find it. This is a 6-speed truck, and so it's a 6L80E, and I just haven't been able to find a 6-speed shifter that Winters makes. So I went ahead and found a pretty much OEM style shifter. I don't know what it's out of, but it's for the 6L80, and that's basically just going to get mounted here. So the general idea is going to be handbrake, shifter, because once I'm in drive, you know, I really don't have to mess with that. Some either the CB radio here or cup holders, and then the CB radio here, and then like we said, our lift drawer. So it's coming along really well. Just pretty much waiting on this plastic that's going to, you know, cover all the way up into here and sit real nice and flush. We're going to do some nice trim on all this since it's kind of rigid, and it'll just clean it up, make it look a lot nicer. So made a lot of progress on the center console. Very happy with how I was able to mount up the handbrake. It's in here real nice and sturdy. So even once obviously it's filled with fluid and there's a little bit more resistance on it, I'm still going to be able to pull it without yanking the crap out of the center console. So really came along real nice and sturdy. So I've got these metal brackets pretty much running across that bolt into the aluminum and then bolt straight into the floor. I've got that one there. So this thing is, you know, this is in here. It's not going anywhere. So we just need to do our rear paneling. Probably gonna do some kind of subfloor or floor just to cover up all the wiring and the airbag module that's in there. And I don't know if I'll do anything up here because this is really not going to see it because it's pretty much going to get walled off right there. But yeah, pretty solid. Very happy with how it's turning out. So as you can see, steering wheel still clears, but I'm still going to do the shifter here. I just think it'll be a better look. I'll be much happier with that. So yeah, still tons to come with the truck. Still got to get some things figured out with the fueling and everything. I did order HP Tuner's tuner, and we're going to try to start tuning the truck on our own, so that'll be exciting. Kind of get some of the problems fixed. We said get a plumb up the handbrake, get that standalone system done, do the dual rear brakes, do the re-gear in the rear, finishing up the re-gear in the front. So tons going on. So much coming to the channel with the center console, the handbrake, the dual rear brakes, the HP tuner. And then it's taken it to Silver Lake, Sand Dunes, Holly Off-Road Park. So many places we want to get this truck out and ripping. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the progress that we made. I know we don't have a complete, finished, fully operational center console. I'm just getting it done in stages. You know, this takes some time, waiting on parts. But I'm super happy with the progress so far, and I hope you guys have been enjoying this content, and I hope this helps you with whatever build you're doing. You know, I love working on this truck. It has been an awesome process, and I'm super excited in the direction it's going, and I hope you guys are too. So if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel to see everything we've got coming in the future. Check out some of our previous videos about everything we've done. I've been getting a lot of questions about this steering wheel. So if you're new to the channel, go check out the video of this install. I'm Vinny with Caswell Customs, and I'll see you in the next one.
You stole my